Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to log into TikTok with a QR code. Alright, for example here you've been trying to log into a PC or to another phone. Just go ahead and tap on the use QR code right here. Tap or click. Now there will be a QR code. Now what we're going to do on our phone is just basically tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on it. And go ahead over to my QR code. Tap on it. And in here just go ahead and use the QR code which is right here at the top right, or the QR code scanner. Now there'll be a prompt. Just go ahead and give the necessary permission. Alright, now your camera will open. So what we're going to do is just face the camera to the QR itself, and as you can see here on my phone it is currently loading, and just tap on login. And again, as you can see here on the left side of my PC, it is now logged in. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.